So let's talk Spark runtime as we compare Fabric and Snowflake and Databricks. So first, this is Databricks. This is creating a Databricks compute cluster. And if you look at the runtime, you'll see that it supports Spark 3.5. Spark 3.5 was released last August. By September, Databricks had a version that supported Spark 3.5. Now that makes sense because Databricks is the chief contributor behind Spark. They have most of the developers that contribute against the Spark open source project work for Databricks, although some of them also work for Microsoft and some other companies, and some of them are independents. But of the major contributors, most of them are Databricks contributors. And so Databricks is very fast. Spark releases a new version, and Databricks, boom, covers it a month later. Now in Fabric, right now, when I create a Spark notebook, it's 3.4. Right now it's May 3rd, 2024. So it's like 8 or 9 months later. If we go to the Fabric blog real quick, and I've got that open right here, you can see that it went into experimental run in March. This blog post was written March 26th. So they're supporting 3.5 experimentally. At last month's FabricCon, they announced that they would be releasing it, but they haven't released it yet, and now it's May. So hopefully they get on that, but I think that lag time is pretty significant, and Microsoft would do a big benefit to its users if it shortened that up to a few months. I think a couple months, 3 or 4 months is reasonable, but 9 months and coming up on a year is not reasonable. And then finally, Snowflake still doesn't support 3.5 or have any announcement to. In fact, they're added 3.4 as of May 2023, which is pretty late, and no announcement on when they'll support 3.5. So they're lagging way behind. So if using the latest version of Spark is important to you and having all the new features and having them available to you, it still looks like Databricks is the fastest to market. Hopefully that helps you. Thanks. Have a great day.